Welcome, my friends. John Weberg here, and you're asking the question to yourself right now: what is ClickFunnels, and why should you use it? Why should you use or care about using ClickFunnels for your business or for your company? And the simple answer is, from my experience in online marketing for over 10 years, I found that ClickFunnels is the easiest and most simple page builder, that not just for creating pages and for creating funnels, but also for increasing conversion and for increasing customer retention. You see, long ago when we first started marketing online, there used to be, I'll go into one of my funnels here, I'll show you. And how you get here is you click on ClickFunnels, so you go to funnels. And one of my pages here, and when we first started marketing online, this is how you market your pages. You would have a squeeze page of some sort or a lead capture page that would go ahead and gather someone's name or phone number and or email and would show their interest in what you were talking about on this page. So copying our free system for earning over $497 a day. This is our system that we use. And someone who's interested in this would put in their email. But once they put in their email, once they click on this button, yes, I want the money, they want in, they would be brought right away to a page to get started. So they'd be brought to a page similar to this one right here, where it tells them, okay, great, you opted in, now here's how you get started. Here's how you start building your business. Here's where you start, this is where someone would have their product, whether it be a health and fitness product or some kind of make money product or some kind of system or something that they're selling, But what's so important and why I'm talking about this is now there's something called a bridge page, which is the page between. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to find our bridge page. So here's our squeeze page. This is the usual process. Squeeze page straight to the offer. And that's fine, but that was found out by Russell Brunson and so many others actually lowered conversion considerably until they came out with what's called the bridge page. And the bridge page, very, very simply, develops like, know, and trust before someone decides if they want to get started with you or if they want to buy your product or buy your service, which is so important because, again, people aren't going to even consider buying or getting started or any of these things unless they like, know, and trust you. So in our system, again, what you should do with your pages when you're building them is put in a lot of proof. Here's some earners. We put some earners with here, $50,000 and above and stuff. We have some testimonials. And by the time someone goes from our squeeze page to this page, and if they scroll down on our bridge page, just like if they were to scroll down on your bridge page, they already get accustomed to who you are and what you stand for, and they already will or will not like, know, and trust you. See, again, we have a lot of pictures of family and things people care about, so people usually, again, we have a very high conversion rate. For every dollar we spend, we make 10, so for every $1,000 we spend, we make 10,000. Is we have a very high like, know, and trust, and that's all part or point of a bridge page. So this is the old process. Squeeze page, okay, offer, get started. No, it doesn't work anymore. You need a page in between so people can develop like, trust, and knowing you quicker and easier than they ever have before, which is why ClickFunnels is so impactful and exactly why you should use it, because the funnels and pages and bridge pages and squeeze pages and all these different things that you can create will absolutely raise your customer retention and raise your conversion, but only if you follow their system and design them well. So again, this is a very, very basic squeeze page that goes to a page showing some attributes of proof and integrity, going to, okay, here's our system, we want you to get started, and here's the entire process. So that's the basis of what ClickFunnels is. But I'm going to go ahead and go into one of our pages so you can see me edit it. This is another one of our funnels in ClickFunnels. And you see, it's very, very simple. How you use ClickFunnels is you have rows, columns, and elements. I don't usually mess around with sections, but what this means is if you want to add, see right here, this is a row with what's 4 columns. So I want to put another row with 2 columns. See, this is a row with 2 columns. I'm actually going to get rid of this. I don't need that there. But I'm going to go to rows, add row, and 2 columns. A row holds a column, and columns hold your elements. The elements are videos, social media things, your buttons, your headlines. Each one of these, the oranges, are elements. And here are all your elements. Again, I'll show you. You have all your headlines, all your things with text, all your things with videos, your buttons, your social media, your for surveys, all these different things, your countdown timers, your day timers, all these different things are your elements. And it's literally one of the easiest, it's just not just one of the easiest drag and drop builders there are online. Number two, you have what's called, and this is actually one of the most important points I want to talk about, you have Russell Brunson, one of currently the world's greatest entrepreneurs and marketers behind you. He works with Grant Cardone. He actually spoke at Grant Cardone's 10X Growth Con not too long ago. He works with Gary Vaynerchuk. He works with Tony Robbins and so many others who are making literally millions, hundreds of millions of dollars a year. And he's working with them, and is with his system, with ClickFunnels, he's helped them make tens of millions of dollars and more. The same with actually tons of dollars. He actually has a page on ClickFunnels dedicated to the number of millionaires and about thousandaires he's created with ClickFunnels. And not just with how much ClickFunnels has paid out, but how much they made in their own business using ClickFunnels. And that's why you should use ClickFunnels, is why it's so important, because the pages that you're able to create, which I'm going to show you, you can actually copy our funnel in the future videos or create your own. I'm going to show you how to do both in the future videos, so you go ahead and can create amazing conversion, create a great income with ClickFunnels, and so much more. We've actually already made, we're going to be making $2,000 a month in ClickFunnels, and it's only been 20 days. We sent it to a few of our leaders, and they're up and running with one of our funnels because they're so simple and they're so easy. They're actually earning in ClickFunnels as well, and in, of course, the other income stream that we're setting up in that system. But guys, that's what ClickFunnels is. It's simply the best page builder, online sales page builder, sales funnel builder, whatever you want to call it, to exist right now. There's none better. I've been marketing for over 10 years, and there's none other that I would recommend, not just because of Russell Brunson, not just because of how many people who are absolutely successful and beyond successful with it, but because your pages will never go back down. It's a real company. I believe right now they have either over 100 or 500 employees, and they actually care. Their support's amazing, and every part of it's incredible. And what's even better is they only charge for their basic account. It's only $97 a month. That's actually isn't very much at all, especially considering all the things I just mentioned, not including how much money it'll help you make with your own business and multiplying commissions in your own business. So if you're interested, go ahead and click on the link below to go ahead and get started with ClickFunnels, or to go ahead and copy our funnel with ClickFunnels. Other than that, my friend, we're going to go ahead and cover next, how does ClickFunnels work. Now you go ahead and set up your pages, and as well how to make money with ClickFunnels and really start multiplying commissions and multiplying your efforts and your conversion with your own business. See, that's what's so powerful about ClickFunnels, is it helps you build multiply commissions with your own business. So talk soon, guys, and we'll get you set up, and don't worry, all of this is going to be step by step showing you exactly what to do. Let's talk soon and get you started. Go ahead and go to the next video now. And by the way, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you have any questions, if you want to know more, and if you really believe my messaging and what I stand for and what I'm going to teach in the future. Go ahead and subscribe. Click on the little bell. I know that's for subscribing as well. And we'll get you taken care of, my friend.